Alright, for the last round, we're going to do a minute to win it.
What is everyone, welcome back to Teknikolor Sunglass Kids. I'm Cara.
And I'm Anna. And today we're doing
Squishy Hunt!
So we have 5 squishies and 5 rounds. I'm going to be hiding the squishies in Cara's room and she has to try and find them. So let's go! So for my first squishy I'm hiding, I'm going to hide this one. So I am in Cara's messy room. It's kind of messy, but that's better. So that way there's more space to hide the squishy. Alright, so probably not going to hide it in the closet. Maybe behind her beanbag chair because it's like smushed up. Okay, I'm going to hide it all the way back here under these clothes. And I'll kind of make a nest for it. Okay, Cara, go and find the squishy. It's not in your closet.
Okay, I see that one.
No, it's not in any like drawers or anything. I found it! Good job. Okay, so this round I have this face squishy. I'm gonna hide it somewhere like not this obvious because she found it pretty much right away. This pillow, it opens up, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna stick it right here so that like she can still see it, so it won't be too hard, but I'm gonna put it facing in there.
With my power of hearing, I could hear that you were on my bed. So, it's probably somewhere in my bed. What spot is that?
It was really hidden, don't you think? Alright.
Yep.
This round, I think I'm gonna do this like velvety cat and donut. Alright, so this round, I think I'm gonna do it my trickiest yet, and I am going to hide it behind one of her dressers. So, if we go back here, there's like a space, and so I'm just gonna, so there's this piece of it, I'm gonna stick it here. So once she goes back there and opens the paper, she won't be able to find it.
Is it in anything?
It's not in anything. Good job. This round, Cara wants me to hide this lemon watermelon, so I think I'm going probably won't look back there. So hopefully she doesn't find it. You're right. It's not in anything. And it's not in your closet. It's not on the same wall as the last one either.
Okay. It's kind of on there.
Like not up against it, but it's like towards that wall. Good job. Alright, for the last round, we're gonna do a minute to win it.
What does that mean?
So you only have a minute to find the squishy.
Okay, but then
Alright.
it's a bonus round for me to hide it. Oh wait, I forgot to put this down.
Alright, so for the last round, I have the popcorn squishy. Since it's a minute to win it, I don't want to make it too tricky, but I also don't want to make it super obvious. So I think I know where I'm going to put it. So right here, if you have to see it. So just slide it in there. And then facing this way. That way it's super obvious. Alright, Cara, you got a minute on the clock. Go, go, go.
See, is it in the drawer?
No, it's not in the drawer.
Oh.
Go, go, go. We've already have 20 seconds left.
What?
I mean, 40 seconds left.
What? In the closet?
No, it's not in the closet. It's on that side of the room.
There we go.
Bed, bed, bed. That's your clue. Oh, look. It just fell on the floor.
Oh.
Yes. Cara did it in 45 seconds. Good job, Cara. But I don't know if that was truly meant to it, but she still did it. Good job.
Now it's the bonus one. And I know all the hiding spots in this room because it's
Okay.
mine.
Alright, so Cara's gonna have that one. I'm going to put that one.
Okay. I'm finished.
Okay, you hit the purple one. Can you give me a hint?
This wall.
Alright. Back here, no. Gee, maybe let's hit it. Wait, I think I see it back there. It's really hard to see it, but I might have seen it. Only I can get back there. Is it back there?
Yes. You want me to get it?
Yes, please. Oh.
I didn't know what? No. I'll just. It's like,
It's like all the way back there.
it's probably. Oh.
Alright, well I still found it. So that's all. What do you have to say?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.